What's your name?
David and
David, and what city are we in?
Altaloma, California.
And what do we do out here?
You installed a central air unit, furnace, and new ducts, and a thermostat.
And a thermostat? How do you like your new thermostat?
Awesome.
Like it? Like being able to use that on your phone?
Oh yeah.
Great.
Yeah, it's great.
The air in the house, how is it different than it was before?
It feels fresher, for sure. It cools down the house really fast.
Okay. And the guys, when they were out here, were they clean and polite?
Oh yeah.
And you guys have lots of pets. How were they with the dogs and
They
the
were
cats?
great. They were great with the pets. Yeah.
Good deal. Would you recommend us to others?
Absolutely.
Thanks so much.